everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Cricket Alcatel phone and 3 snapback backs. This is a Power SNAPBAK back, so it includes a battery. This one is lighting, so there's little LEDs in here with different lights that light up. And then this is sound, and it comes with a kickstand so you can listen and have your phone sitting on a table. So now we'll get to the unboxing. The Cricket Alcatel PulseMIX phone. And we'll boot this up. This is running the Cricket network. So that's booting right now. Cricket is the MVNO of AT&T. AT&T actually owns them. And then going further inside the box, you get a wall charger, USB, and a micro USB cable. Actually, it's a Type-C. And then terms and conditions. So with this phone, the SIM card's already been installed and activated. And so as soon as this comes up, we'll actually get a little bit closer to the phone. It is ready to go. We'll take it off of airplane mode so you can see that it has LTE signal. So there we are, LTE signal right there. So you can attach any of these backs to the back of this phone. You just take this metal plate off and you're good to go. And this is running Android 7 software. So they give you a game, all the standard Android software, all the standard Google software, then you get WPS Office, Yahoo Mail, YouTube, Wish app, and some other apps as well. And now you can see that this has connected to my Wi-Fi here. So it'll know based on location if it's connected to Wi-Fi before, and then automatically turn that on when it needs to use extra data. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And the details of this phone will be in the details of the video. Thank you.